In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the A record for your domain and subdomains to an EC2 public IP address. This is a crucial step if you're looking to direct your domain traffic to a server hosted on Amazon Web Services. So let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your DNS provider's website. This is the service where your domain's DNS settings are managed. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can edit your domain's DNS records. This is typically labeled as either DNS Management, Manage DNS, or DNS Settings. It's important to know exactly where you're heading, as different providers might use slightly varied terminology for these sections. Once you can see your DNS records, look for the A record associated with your domain. The A record is what points your domain to an IP address, so it's vital for directing web traffic accurately. You should see an entry for your primary domain, which is listed without any prefixes like www or other subdomains. Go ahead and click on it to edit this record. Now, you should see a space where you can enter the new IP address. Here is where you will input the public IP address of your EC2 instance. Make sure you enter this IP address accurately, since any mistake here could prevent users from reaching your site. If you have subdomains, repeat this step for each of them, thereby updating each subdomain's A record with the same EC2 public IP address. This ensures that traffic to each of your subdomains will also be correctly directed to your new server. Once you've updated the A record for all your relevant domains and subdomains, it's time to save the changes. Good practice at this step is to double check that you've updated the A records correctly and haven't mistakenly altered any other DNS settings. Once you're certain everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the changes. Finally, it's crucial to understand that DNS changes aren't instantaneous. After you save your new A record settings, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. This is the process of updating and spreading your new DNS records across the internet, enabling users worldwide to be directed to the correct IP address. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, depending on a variety of factors, including your DNS provider. While you're waiting, you can test your configuration by using DNS checking tools online to monitor the status of your record updates. With these steps done, you've successfully redirected your domain and subdomains to your EC2 instance. Remember that patience is key when waiting for propagation, but once it's complete, your site should be smoothly accessible from its new home on AWS. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to dive into the comment section if you have more questions or need further clarification on any part of this tutorial.